Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System Settings. Following that, choose Keyboard and Input Method, Gboard, and Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. In order to manage them, just tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!